Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are doing well. God will gives you more happiness to you and your family. Let's start today informational video. Suha Al-Kafai, managing director of the International Islamic Bank, announced on Tuesday that the Central Bank of Iraq will soon approve the merchants' deposit in dinars and receipt of the dollar according to the bank address in the country from which it is imported. The Islamic Bank stated in a statement that the chairman of the board of directors and managing director of the International Islamic Bank attended the meeting with the deputy governor of the central bank and the consultant, and in the presence of the general manager and other invited banks, will be issued soon regarding the ceiling of transfers and the mechanism of credits have been consulted and procedures have been simplified in order to facilitate international trade services for merchants of all kinds, individual and companies, and the release of credits and transfers according to the specific ceiling to regulate the new banking work for the next stage, and approving the merchants deposit in dinars to the bank private and receive a dollar according to the bank address, IBN, International Bank account number, in favor of the bank account in the country from which it was imported. Yesterday, Monday, an informed source told Shafaq news agency that the central bank of Iraq will hold an important meeting today, Tuesday, regarding the crisis of the dollar's high exchange rate in the local market. Meanwhile, the chairman of the Finance Committee, Atwan Al Atwani, meet today, Tuesday, with the presence of the committee members, the governor of the central bank, Ali Mohsin Al Alak, at the committee's headquarters. According to a statement issued by the media office of the House of Representatives during the meeting, the issue of the fluctuation of the exchange rate of the Iraqi dinar against the US dollar was discussed, and the possibility of controlling it to preserve the market as well as a decision of its representation on citizens and the steps of the central bank and the procedures followed by it. The price of the dollar against the dinar rose in an unprecedented way recently due to the measures imposed by the United States of America to limit currency smuggling from Iraq. The Central Bank of Iraq announced on Monday, January 19, a package of decisions that would restore the foreign currency market to its normal position after the rise in it. The decision included the following paragraphs: allowing the banks participating in the foreign currency buying and selling windows to purchase any amounts in foreign currency and deposit them with this bank in accounts used for external transfer purposes, and to pay interest return on these balances according to what this bank decides. Second paragraph is facilitating the financing of private sector trade through Iraqi banks and meeting the demand for foreign transfers by strengthening the balance of banks with their correspondents in other currencies, in addition to the US dollar, Chinese yuan, the euro, the Emirati dirham, the Jordanian dinar, and other currencies. Third paragraph is opening outlets for selling foreign currency in government banks to the public for travel purposes, treatment, Hajj, Umrah, study, etc. Fourth paragraph is reducing the selling price of the dollar to the beneficiary, the card holder that he uses while traveling or paying his purchases via the internet to be at 1465 dinar to the dollar instead of 1470 dinar to the dollar. The dollar will be sold to electronic payment companies for the above purpose at a price of 1455 dinars to the dollar instead of 1460 dinar to the dollar. Thanks for watching. If you need more help, please comment below and subscribe our channel for supporting me. Please share this video. Thanks again.